Well, hey guys, thought I'd show you this. I got my Gravely running, and I was doing a little bit of mowing last week, and I ran into this. It's a Mowett Mustang, kind of a cute little thing. I forgot I even had it out here, but I lost interest in it when I noticed that it had been heavily repaired before, and then it's got a broken frame. And at the time, I didn't have a welder that I could, I had a bird poop squirter, and it would never be good enough to fix a frame like this. So I figure, now that I got my TIG, I can straighten this frame and repair the crack inside and out, and see what I can do about fixing up this belly pan a little bit. At least make it so the frame won't crack again. I think that's what caused it. This is so solid and stiff, it wouldn't flex anymore, and so it had to flex here. But yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get this thing cleaned off enough I can get it down in the basement where my welder is and see about repairing this frame. And then I think I just need a recoil thing, or the the ratchet, the ratchet for the rope start. Kind of a cool little mower. I'd love to get it running again and at least drive it around a little bit, see if I can get it working. It's pretty neat. Yeah, okay. Well, this is what I'm tinkering with, real slowly, but I'll show you more once I get started or get the frame fixed. All right, take care.